Hello, welcome back. Today I'm starting a series of tutorials where we will learn the basics of convolutional neural networks, and we finally will build our own convolutional neural network from scratch using the fastest programming language, C++. Firstly, we will dive into the theory of deep neural networks, and then we will code it using the theory and C++. We will see the structure of deep neural networks, the different kind of layers, the feed-forward function, the error, and the backpropagation, where we will update the weights of the neural network. We will also see the different optimizers that are used on neural networks, and we will see an example of the NIST dataset, where we will see how it performs the convolutional neural networks and the different optimizers. So see you in the next video, where we will set up our environment and the deep neural network project.